Hi, what's cooking? I'm Bella and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome as well. Please take a moment and subscribe. This is how you can show your support and motivate me to create more contents and recipes for you to watch. Today I'm going to be showing you my version of chai tea. When I learned how to make this tea, it was as Yogi Tea. That was the name for it. It's pretty much the same. We're going to use a lot of spices, and then if you want to avoid caffeine, just skip the last part where I'm adding black tea. Let's go over the list of ingredients. Filtered water, allspice, cardamom pods, cloves, cinnamon stick, ginger, nutmeg, black tea. So I also use, I make it very concentrated. What I do is I measure the filtered water on the container that I'm going to store once the tea is ready. So here I have 6 cups of filtered water. Super simple. So we're turning the stove top to medium heat and then adding the filtered water. And now we just add everything. So we have cinnamon stick, cloves, allspice, cardamom, ginger, and I'm going to grate a little bit of nutmeg, like so. Simmer for about an hour. My tea has been simmering for a little over an hour, so now I'm turning it off. And I'm going to add the black tea. Those are big bags, so I'm only using 2. And again, you're going to add to your taste. If you're using the smaller bags or loose tea, I will post on the comments as well. I'm going to be posting how many cloves, cardamoms I use. So I'll post by weight so you know. Steep it for 6 minutes. I like my tea hot, so I mix in half a part of tea, and then I have hot almond milk in here. And this is it. So I like to add the black tea because I do need the caffeine. And this is a great substitution for coffee as well. Cheers! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, you know what to do. Hit the like button and leave some comments down below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.